What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today, we've already seen this, but I have another one by Monster Bass. It is their December box. So, without further ado, let's crack into this. Box is open, and without further ado, I'm gonna give you guys the first peek, like usual. So, we'll see. Alright, is there anything good in here? Alright, so the first thing that I pulled out of the box is their little book that has more information in this than the ones that you know, come with the mystery tackle box. And I don't know if there's any other mystery boxes that come with a little booklet, but theirs definitely has some good information in it. There's always, you know, they even have like a little recipe of some kind in here, so I mean, they're checking all the boxes, I guess. There's a flat A crankbait that is their color scheme, Mad Craw. Some nice treble hooks on it. Then that pattern on it, absolutely killer. Alright, so up next we have a Bucket Mouth brand frog. It's called the Bucket Getter Frog. It's a nice color pattern on it. Beautiful color pattern. So that is the Pro Rogue by Smithwick Suspending. It features 3 treble hooks on it. That finishing on it is absolutely amazing. Has a nice glitter, shiny look. There's some rattling inside of it. Alright, up next we have by Ike's Flip Out Jigs. Absolutely looks nice. There's that skirt looks pretty nice on it. The only thing I am not keen on in this one is how stiff the weedless guard is. But maybe it being so stiff, it actually is a good thing. I don't like having a super stiff weed guard on my flip jigs, but never hurts to try it. Maybe I'll come to like it. You never know. Last but not least, I have by the Pro Series X Zone Lures. It is their 6-inch true center stick. Has a camo look to them. And then there's some stickers. These are repeats, so we've already seen them on this channel. Bucket King, and then their Monster Bass. I'm guessing probably like their original sticker, an older sticker, I don't know. This one seemed very... there was good stuff in here, but it seemed very lackluster compared to how how a lot of their stuff normally is. I don't know if it was like another box that they had and they put the silver tag on it. I don't know. Wasn't a bad box. Wasn't the best box I've gotten them by a long stretch. But wasn't bad. If you enjoyed what you saw in this video today, please be sure to hit like and subscribe down below. It really helps grow the channel. And on top of that, if we get to 200 subs, I'll be doing a giveaway. I want to give some stuff away. I have some stuff to give away. Please be sure to get that to 200 subs. Even if you have to share it with people that you know that you would think that would enjoy this content, please do so. And until next time, always remember, tight lines, tight hooks, and I'll catch you on the next adventure. And always remember, bad day fishing is always better than a bad day at work. Peace.